Pusa pasigit ang laki pag nasuko. Pusa man. Char. What's up guys? Welcome back again on our YouTube channel. This is Franco and thank you so much guys for being here once again on our YouTube channel. So karong adlaw guys na nakita diri sa Linguisan, Tubo-Tubo Beach. It's so very Instagrammable ang lugar guys. Sa kung background makita man ninyo ganindot yun kayo guys. And guess what guys? For only 10 pesos, makasunod na mo diri guys, per head 10 pesos lang guys. Asa pa man mo na guys, pero pertipong layo no? Pero guys, ang kalayo niya guys is worth it kayo guys para sa 10 peso guys. Pero ang inyong gasolina guys, worth of 20k food guys. Padulong diri sa Tungawan Zamboanga Sibugay. Laban na Zamboanga Sibugay guys. Ay go! Namiss kita mo guys. And of course guys, if you're watching this from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe down below. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we post new videos on this channel. And of course, if you're watching this from my Facebook page, Baronatics, please don't forget to like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Because if you're from TikTok, please don't forget also to follow me and like this video. If you really like this video lang naman din, magtagalog ako nga Bisaya vlogger, mako go! So guys, ipakita na ko sa inyo ha guys kung unsa gyud kanindot ang lugar, gikan sa mga pictures, sa mga videos and sa scenery guys. And also they have cottage here and I will post the cottage price dire sa kong screen right now. So kung makita nyo guys, dito dyan kayo ang lugar guys, kaya Instagrammable dyan kayo siya. Kung makita nyo dito, ang mga bato, ang formation sa mga bato, ang dagat, ang katinaw sa tubig, very swak yun siya guys. But gani guys, kung layo mo dito sa Tungawan guys, cost yun mo price guys para sa inyuhang gasolina. Laban. So before I start this video guys, I would like first to promote this sando that I am wearing right now. It is basic organic and it is really 100% cotton and it is very fresh to wear guys. Muna guys, order na mo guys for only 139 pesos. Ang link is nasa ubos. Muna siya guys. Basic organic, 100% cotton. Perfect yun siya para sa scenery, para sa tuwa beach outing. Muna siya guys, order na mo guys for only 139 pesos. Just go to my shop and they have free shipping right now guys, and they also have a coupon voucher for the first time customer that will buy this product, and it is up to 84 pesos. So what are you waiting for guys? Order na! Alright, basic organic. Pero guys, sugdan na nato guys ang atong exposure para sa kaning vlog. Which is nata sa Linguisan, Tubo-Tubo Beach. And without further ado, let's get on our video. Laban na Bisaya vlogger na guys. Oy! Go! 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 And go! So we're here now guys at beautiful Tungawan. Look at that. Look at that guys. And of course, akong likod guys, makita ninyo ang view nga nindot kayo ang view guys. Take a look at that view. Take a look at that view. So guys, makita gid diri ang view guys nga nindot kayo diri sa Tungawan. Pero sa ibuta siya beautiful Tungawan kay the best kay ang scenery og makita nimo ang dagat. Oh my god, thank you Lord for this one. All right.
you could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
So what's up guys, for now's video we're going to have a pictorial there, somewhere over there. So come on, let's go.
Hi guys, so karon mo ato ta dito ako hadapita ba sa dito.
Nindot kayo diri guys, oh. Feel na feel nimo nga mura kag nibalik sa imong asa kagikan sa imong natural inhabitant. Inhabitant ba? Inhabitat. Guys, puti kayong sun diri guys. Puti kayo siya guys. Take a look at that bay. Smile bay.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our vlog.
Guys, lahi kaayo ang balas dito sa Ayala guys.
Take a look at that dagat guys, oh. Dagat pa ni guys. Grabe ka tinaw guys, oh. Init lang kayo. Pasensya na guys kung init kayo guys, pero tinaw yung dagat diri guys. Laban. Oh. Grabe yung katinaw guys. Woo! Amazingly beautiful. Beautiful. Tungawan yun siya guys. Woo! Laban na day, go. Nagsaba kaya natulog. Oh? Laban ang tubig guys. Da, patay guys, nabugto akong tiil. Nawa na gyud, muli na gyud Ayala nga bugto akong tiil. Dili na gyud nag-end ako ang bugto nga tiil. Naon sa akong tiil like?
Nabugto.
What do you say about my tiil?
Fit.
Body fit. Ang putot gaw na, umrag bukong.
Unsa nang bukong?
Ano, bukong. La, my God. Kasi.
Ay, dapat videoin mo kay katong umragtan.
Gibe. Di ato bang? Yeah, wait lang, tapos dagan ha. Magtuyok ka malalambos. So guys, makita ninyo guys nga diri guys, mura jud El Nido Palawan guys. Mura jud kag nakaadto nag El Nido Palawan. And tika look at that, pwede ka diri mag-climb pero take risk guys, kay basig mahulog ka, maunay mo ulo, patay na kagid sila kakaulit sa Zamboanga City. Di ba? Oh, tanaw guys, ang scenery guys, oh, the best. Napay mga bato, laban ang mga bato diha oy. Uy, mura magwa kitag bato sukad. Nahingin lang kay basig batusok imong lugot dra. Instagramable kay siya guys. Pero maghinahina yung tagnao guys, kay basig mahulog ka diri guys. Wa gyud ka guys, mahulog gyud ka guys. Tanawang tubig guys. Tanawang tubig sa katinaw guys, tanawa guys, oh. Tanawa gyud guys, oh. Oh, the best. So karon guys, moadto namin sa mong cottage balik guys kay magpakals na pud mi guys. Laban ang pakals daw. Ipakita na ko sa inyo guys kung unsa ang pakals guys. Syempre kung may mga laag-laag guys, dapat pangitaw po ninyo guys unsa ang pakals guys kay aron di mo mapasmo sa inyong nilaag guys. So dito kay dito ang experience guys. O karon nato diri sa Dalampasigan, medyo hugaw siya diri nga park kay murag wala kay mga tao pa nangaligo aning kapita. Kay mostly dito gyud sila nangaligo, oh. As you can see guys, tinaw magyud guys siya guys, oh. Tinaw magyud kay dagat diri guys. What can you say about the place, mother?
Beautiful.
Location, no?
Yes.
And
Sea. Sea ba yan?
the beach.
Beach. Oh.
Nice guy, no?
And you make luto-luto na now.
What's
Because
that?
I feel hungry na.
Hungry? Hungry shark?
Hungry ka.
What can you say about the place?
The place is so beautiful and I would highly recommend those.
And how about the entrance fee? How about the entrance fee?
It's only 10 pesos.
Oh my God, so cheap.
Yes. 10 pesos?
Oh, 10 lang.
10 pesos.
Tapos exclusive pa kitang nag-rent sa
Oh my God.
10 lang man.
We have our principal here.
Ni Robredo. Hindi pang halina.
Ang tawag ka ng ikaon guys, kahit saging, avocado. Avocado saging. Nagibot ka og milk. Gusto mo kaon ka, maanin mo na. Weh, dinga. Weh, dinga. So guys, muna na akong ingon sa inyo ha guys nga mo ni ang kanang free taste sa tuang pakals karon guys. Muna akong ingon sa inyo kanina guys na kumulaag mo dapat una-una pud yung nay pakals para dili mo mga pas mo, di ba? Tama? Oo. So karon guys, tara na to guys. Init-init pa siya guys. Guys.
Anong lasa?
Lasang pork.
Masarap ba?
Super. Para sa protein guys, para sa muscles guys.
Sure. Bulk yarn.
Oh,
Feelings dapat.
ihatag ang film kaya akong himuon.
Sige. With feelings nga, love. Sad. Suko. Happy. Nabuang niya.
Tarikal.
Klaro gud ni siya guys, nagigutom na guys.
Mama kayo guys.
Close up sa baboy. Ug sa gakaon. Wink by wink para sa camera.
Smile, 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. Ano, gikan dali si smile. 1, 2, 3, and go. Karo nga, bet.
Saan man ka?
Katawa man na. Hi, son. Smile, son. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Kung makita nyo karon guys, akong background, murag sa El Nido, Palawan. Wedi nga. That was for today guys. Thank you for watching this video, and of course if you're watching from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe down below, and of course don't forget also to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we post new videos on this channel. If you're watching from TikTok, please don't forget to follow me and click the heart button down there. That's it guys, thank you for watching this video, and once again guys, this is Franco saying spend a life with no doubts, and see you on our next future video uploads. So mo to siya guys, og napatay remembrance guys. Ito ang atong chinelas. Ulit tag Zamboanga nga magtiniil. Okay? So, that's it guys.
Hey boys, magpatuloy na ta, magpatuloy ta kay perting baho ang tik-tik, basig managan unyang mga chicks.